Allen Weisselberg, the chief financial officer of Donald Trump's company, the Trump Organization, he was in court today to plead guilty to 15 counts, including tax evasion, related to a scheme that prosecutors say involved off-the-books compensation, an apartment, cars, even the tuition for his grandchildren's private school. Now, Allen Weisselberg was charged last summer, more than a year ago. He was the only Trump Organization executive charged in a 3-year investigation being conducted by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. He was scheduled to go to trial in October along with the Trump Organization on these tax fraud charges, but then this week cut a deal with prosecutors that will see him serve 5 months in jail, pay back about $2 million in taxes, penalties, and interest, and he has to testify at the Trump Organization's trial in October to talk about the illicit business dealings that he and the company were involved in. The Trump Organization is synonymous with former President Donald Trump. Their headquarters is at Trump Tower, which has the gold-plated Trump Tower name, and that's where President Trump lived for a long time in Manhattan. But there is a distinction here. Allen Weisselberg is testifying in a case against the Trump Organization, the company, not former President Donald Trump. Former President Trump has not been charged and has not been accused of a criminal wrongdoing in this matter. Now, Allen Weisselberg has said through his lawyers that he felt he was charged as punishment because he wouldn't flip on the former president, that prosecutors were targeting him because they wanted him to cooperate. And people around this case have made it clear that this is not a cooperation agreement like you might see in other cases where a witness will sit down and tell prosecutors everything they know about a subject. There's a specific condition here where in court today and again in October, he will have to talk about his role and the company's role in this off-the-books compensation scheme, but not necessarily talking about Donald Trump and other members of the Trump family.